Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about API Key Authentication in Bruno. In previous version, Bruno was not giving direct support to API Key Authentication, but this can be achieved by making use of Params tabs and header tabs in previous versions. So I have already discussed how it was achieved in the previous version in this particular link. I will be sharing this link in the video description. But now from version 1.30.0 onwards, Bruno has introduced direct support for API key authentication. From Auth tab, you can see the support for API key authentication. I have already opened Bruno and directly going to the demo. So if you check this workspace, there is a collection called authorization. I have a request called API Key Authentication. So this was how it was done earlier. You can see I have mentioned the API key value here as an environment value. If you check my environment, you can see I have given a API key and its value here. So I am reusing it as a variable here. So this was how it was done earlier when there was no direct support. So if the API key was correct, means you will be getting the result. So now I am cloning this request again and I am changing the name to API Key Authentication Direct. I am cloning it. Now I will not be using Params tab to pass the API key. I am deleting this parameter. Now I am going to the Auth tab. You can see that in this drop down there is direct API key support. So you can mention the key here. It's app ID. I am just verifying from the previous request. This is the key you have to pass, and the value we can take it from environment. To refer the variable, you can use double curly braces and mention the key. So K is caps, that's why it was not referred correctly. Now you can see the green color, which shows that the variable is referred correctly, and I have added it to the header. I have to change it to query params because this particular endpoint is supporting API key authentication using query params. I am saving the request. I am sending the request. You can see the same response as earlier. So now Bruno has started supporting API key authentication directly from the Auth tab. So I will show the screenshot of the previous version. I have already opened it. So if you check, this is a screenshot of version 1.29.1. If you click on the Auth tab and click on the No Auth drop down, you will not be seeing any API key authentication here, but from version 1.30.0 onwards, there is direct support for API key. So we can directly use API key authentication from Auth tab. There is no need to depend on the headers tab or params tab to make use of the API key authentication. So this is how we can directly do API key authentication in Bruno. So I will be disabling this API key after the demo. So I believe this video was useful for everyone. So if you find this video insightful, please consider subscribing in the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.